Hello, my wonderful creators, and welcome to Healthy and Happy. I'm Masi Efres, a certified yoga instructor and life coach, and thank you so much for joining me today for this 1-minute meditation designed to relax your body and mind. Sit in a comfortable position, breathe in and out through the nose, exercise abdominal breathing, close your eyes, and let's take deep breath in through the nose, out through the nose, and then stay in solitude, silence, and stillness until you hear my voice again. Let's start. Let's take a deep breath through the nose, exhale through the nose, open your eyes. How do you feel now? Thank you so much for joining me today for this 1-minute relaxing meditation. And if you find this content useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment. I would love to hear from you. And most importantly, stay healthy and happy. I'm Masi Efres. Thank you so much for watching.